Over the next few lessons, we're going to take a look at generating this somewhat complicated design of this electric motor here. As we can see, this design consists of quite a few unique bodies or groups. So if we take a look, we can see we have some C-hooks designed here, our main shaft, a whole number of bolts, we have a terminal cap, and so on. So we're going to take a look at the entire design process of generating this somewhat complicated design all the way from scratch. As we can see, there's quite a few internal and just quite a few components and designs to complete this full assembly. And we're going to see the entire process of building each and one of these bodies and translating and transforming them to create this somewhat complicated assembly using Shapr3D.